Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Then you have to tap start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting the SIM card, but if you don't have your SIM card on you can just skip this step for now and connect SIM card anytime later. Now you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you can set up date and time. Then you can enable or disable Google services. If you want them, just leave them. If you don't want them, disable them right here. But in any case, you will have to accept Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. In the following step, you can set up screen lock, you can use PIN, you can use pattern, password, or you can just skip this step and set up screen lock anytime later. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.